To change the battery limit of the wireless power sharing feature in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find battery and device care. Tap battery and device care. Next, tap battery. Scroll down the screen. Tap wireless power sharing. Tap battery limit. Now set the required limit that fit your need. As the example, we will set it to 40%. And then tap OK button. By doing this, your phone will automatically stop charging other device with wireless power sharing when your battery percentage reaches 40%. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.